What if you could generate stunning on-brand images for your ads, product shots, or social posts without hiring a designer or touching Photoshop? Welcome to the future of content creation. This is Flair AI, the AI design studio that turns your ideas into high-converting visuals in seconds. Flair AI is a powerful AI-powered design tool built specifically for brands, marketers, and e-commerce teams who need to create eye-catching product visuals at scale fast. Unlike generic AI art tools, Flair is fine-tuned for branded content. That means you can upload your own product shots, apply consistent brand elements, and create professional quality marketing visuals all within a few clicks. Whether you're running ads, building landing pages, or posting on social, Flair gives you full creative control without needing a design team. Flair AI currently has a Trustpilot rating of 2.3 out of 5 based on 16 reviews, with the majority being negative. Many users report unexpected charges, difficulty canceling subscriptions, and slow or unresponsive support. Some also mention technical issues like glitches and low-quality image outputs. While a few users find it helpful for speeding up ad creation, the overall feedback raises concerns about billing transparency and reliability. So let us discuss some of the most important features of Flair AI. The heart of Flair is the drag and drop canvas where you build photo shoots visually. You upload your product shot and choose from a library of 3D props, backgrounds, or models, placing them on the canvas exactly where you want them. Then add a descriptive prompt like soft lighting, minimalistic kitchen scene, and Flair's AI refines everything: lighting, shadows, realism. You can experiment with layout, background elements, and 3D assets until the scene matches your vision. It's like having a virtual studio and photographer rolled into one, okay? So that wraps up feature number 1. Now let's move on to how Flair handles people with the on-model photography features. So Flair's on-model photography and AI Human Builder let you showcase products on virtual models without an actual photo shoot. You can define the model's body type, hair color, and pose, then upload your product like a dress or jewelry, and the AI fits it perfectly onto the model. The result is realistic brand-aligned product images ideal for fashion, accessories, or apparel marketing with Flair AI. Whether you want a beachwear look, lifestyle shots, or studio-style models, Flair adapts your product to these scenarios using style-preserving AI. And the best part is you don't need live models or costly production. So that wraps up feature number 2. Next, we'll explore Flair's AI ad generation. So one of Flair's standout features is its product video generator, which is perfect for brands that want to showcase products dynamically across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Amazon listings. With this feature, you don't need a camera, crew, or post-production software. Simply upload your product image, choose or generate a scene, and then simply create the product video. Flair automatically animates elements such as product rotation or zoom-ins, lighting effects, text overlays with call to actions, subtle panning, or movement for lifestyle backgrounds. You can adjust the video length, resolution, and pacing to suit your campaign, whether you want a punchy 5-second teaser or a more detailed 15-second product demo. It also allows you to export in different aspect ratios for vertical, square, or landscape formats, optimized for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Meta Ads, and Stories. This feature is especially helpful for e-commerce sellers who want studio-quality product motion videos without any filming gear. So that wraps up feature 3. Flair lets you create polished, scroll-stopping product videos in just a few clicks. Now the question is, who is Flair actually for? So Flair is perfect for e-commerce brands and Shopify sellers who want consistent on-brand visuals across every product and collection page, marketing teams and agencies that need fast, scalable product content across multiple campaigns and clients, small businesses that lack in-house designers but still want high-converting, professional-grade creatives, fashion brands, and DTC startups looking to showcase apparel on AI-generated models without coordinating physical shoots. If your work relies on creating polished product visuals at speed, Flair saves hours and gives you full control in-house. Flair is incredibly powerful, but no tool is perfect, so here are a few areas where it could evolve. First is the learning curve. While the canvas and prompt-based editing are flexible, some users may need onboarding or tooltips for advanced scene generation and masking. So it does cover the essentials well, such as background removal, magic erase, and lighting, but power users may want more granular controls like color grading, shadow manipulation, or multi-layer editing. And the interface works best on desktop, but a smoother mobile-first experience would help social teams on the go. The free tier is generous for beginners, but those using product videos, custom models, or team collaboration costs can scale quickly. A mid-tier plan or more export credits could ease that jump. And adding even more templates for seasonal themes or specific niches like electronics or food would make it even more plug and play. Flair offers a rewarding affiliate program, earning you 20% commission on every paying customer you refer. So this makes it ideal for creators, educators, or agencies looking to monetize their audience while promoting a tool they genuinely love. For developers and automation pros, Flair provides API access as part of its scale and enterprise plans. With the API, you can integrate Flair's AI-driven product photo on model and video generation capabilities directly into your apps or workflows. So this allows you to scale content production and embed Flair's visual tools into your existing systems seamlessly. So these extras make Flair not only a design powerhouse, but also a flexible platform for growth and automation. In short, Flair AI is one of the smartest AI tools for brands looking to level up their visual content game. Whether it's product photos, model-style mockups, short-form product videos, or ad creatives, it removes the need for costly production while still delivering eye-catching conversion-ready results. So if you're tired of Photoshop layers, stock photo hunting, or coordinating shoots, Flair is a breath of fresh air. Use it solo or as part of your team workflow. It's flexible, fast, and highly brandable. So that wraps up our full walkthrough of Flair AI. Let us know in the comments, would you use AI-generated visuals for your brand, or do you still prefer traditional shoots? If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI-powered tool reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.